Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to take a quick look at Apple Music AutoMix in iOS 26, a cool new feature that makes your playlists feel like they're mixed by a DJ. So what's AutoMix? It's basically Apple's way of blending songs together smoothly. Instead of just ending one song and starting the next, AutoMix uses smart transitions. It would adjust tempo and match beats, so tracks flow into each other without those awkward silences or cuts. It's kind of like having a DJ inside your phone. Now let's see how to use it. To use AutoMix, you gotta be on iOS 26. Then open the Music app and play a playlist. Now, when you're on the Now Playing screen, you're gonna see the AutoMix toggle near the bottom or in the Options menu. Just tap it. And boom, it starts blending your songs in real time. Now I talk about when it works best. AutoMix works best with Apple curated playlists, especially ones in genres like dance, electronic, or pop. It might not work perfectly with every single track, but it's probably going to surprise you with how smooth it sounds, and yeah, you're going to want to use good headphones to really enjoy the transitions. In the end, if you love playlists that flow non-stop, you're going to love AutoMix. It's a small feature, but it totally changes the vibe. Try it out. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you or if you had any issues. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more iOS 26 tips.